Windows 11 introduces a new thread scheduling system that often throttles modern AMD Ryzen and Intel Core processors to save energy. This built-in power limitation stops your multi-core CPU from reaching its true boost clock speeds during heavy tasks or editing sessions. Here is how to quickly remove these processor limits and unlock maximum core output. First, let's open your Advanced Power Layout panel. Open your Start menu, type Control Panel and click on the app shortcut. In the top search bar inside the dashboard, type Power Options and click on the main link. Next to your selected power plan, click on the blue link text that says Change Plan Settings. In the next window, click on the link that says Change Advanced Power Settings. A small configuration box will open up on your screen. Scroll down the list until you find the row labeled Processor Power Management and click the small plus icon to expand the hidden options. Now click Open the minimum processor state row setting, change the percentage number to 100 and press Enter. This forces the Windows kernel to instantly supply full voltage to all available cores the second a heavy task starts. Then restart your PC. If this quick CPU optimization guide helped you unlock full processing speeds, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more simple tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.